end up being the right-hand side once we get completely stopped. Oil it up. Keep it going, Paul.
See how these tuna flying, jumping out of the water? Take a look. Michael's going. All right.
Come down, guys.
Chef Michael's got one online.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, baby. How heavy you think?
I don't know. 40, 50, 60 pound fish.
All right.
You know?
How tall are you? You're 6'4"?
6'4".
And how big? How heavy?
300 pounds.
300?
Yes, sir.
Dang, bro. You should.
Oh, look at him go right here. Oh, man. Yeah,
Oh.
big chef.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see him.
All right.
They're dancing down there.
It's about, what, 20 feet down below?
Yep.
That one's a big one. This one's bigger.
Drag him back. Grab by his tail there.
This guy's fighting. There he is. Yeah, that one looks bigger than the other.
Old tuna fish. The Fabio of sushi. Good job, Bob.
All right, you did it. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Your very first bluefin. Yep, first bluefin ever.
Really?
Is that home wasabi or regular wasabi?
A good one. Get a good one for the Chef Rush. Yeah, let's take a look at this one. What's so special about it? Can you guys read this? All right, see what the first ingredient is here. In Japanese ingredients: horseradish. Japanese wasabi. Okay. What are you looking for in seaweed? How do you choose a good one?
How I choose a good one?
Yeah. So many to choose from, right?
Go with the Yamamoto, but they don't have Yamamoto here. It's pretty much other brand that I never tried it.
Okay.
Not much, so. Yeah, so.
You look at the texture. And the color. Color's all the same.
Yeah, but.
Do you see where it's made
I
from?
cannot tell with this one.
How about where the origin is? Does it matter to you where it's from?
The origin?
Yeah.
Oh,
Where are these seaweed? Let's take a look at this real quick, right?
Made in Japan.
This is product of Japan right here. Look at
Japan
this.
product?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this
Just
one.
Japan. Just Japan.
Let's try that. Let's keep it all as Japanese as possible.
This Yume Pirika. This is
good?
when Hokkaido one time.
Okay.
This is it.
Oh, let's get this one then, you know?
And the Nanatsuboshi too. At that times, my mom was eating this was her favorite one.
Okay. Let's get this one. This looks good.
Yume Pirika.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We're in a very special place.
Yes, very, very special place and special person right next to me.
Who else could it be? Chef Rush.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, yeah.
Great to see you again, Chef.
Very good.
And
Long
all of
time.
you guys. In a long
Yes,
time. It's been a long time. I
Yeah.
missed you.
I miss you too.
We had such a great time last time you were in Miami.
We
We're
did.
planning something again now, but now we're in LA.
We are in LA.
We're going to be making
spots.
Yeah, your spot, right?
And welcome. I'm glad you guys are here.
Yep. Hero. Anyway, present this fish to him. And
Yeah, actually, yesterday I supposed to go to the fishing, but I couldn't make it. But instead, Chef Michael caught the beautiful tuna. So I'm going to use this one to make, I think, some kind of huge tekka roll for him.
Oh, okay. Well, I want to say first off, thank you, Chef. And I want to say thank you, Chef Michael, for the little, feeding one of my arms. We need another one to go with this one. No, thank you, Chef Mike. I really appreciate it. It looks amazing.
all right, and do some bicep curls with this. Let's see how they're big, kind of
How many
heavy.
pounds is this? Like maybe 3, 4?
3-4 pounds.
Well, how many pounds is this? I need about 15 pounds in here.
For sure.
I think this size about maybe here.
Oh, about there.
Yeah.
Okay. I need to get
Yeah.
back. I need to get my sizes
Yeah.
back to here then.
We know you're part of so many amazing organizations. Tell us a little bit about what you do and who you represent.
Wow, I represent, first off, everyone. I do a lot for suicide awareness. I was a retired combat vet in the Army, so I advocate for suicide awareness. I do a lot of push-ups, which is 2,222 a day, for 22 vets commit suicide a day, from the Cancer Society to big campaigns about suicide and mental health and mental wellness. So I do a little bit.
And it's amazing. I know you have your new book out as well.
I do. Call me Chef, damn it.
Right.
It's not a cookbook. It just tells me about my life story of mostly all my failures and how I got over it, to go ahead and show you that you can do anything. It doesn't matter who it is or what it is. Just believe in yourself.
Right. That's so inspirational. Just talking with you, just, the time that we spent together, you have so much that I admire. And we just want to thank you for this opportunity to be here with you, both myself and Hiro. Yeah,
I love you guys. I love the energy. When we first met, the second time we met, and it'll be many, many more times afterwards. So I just appreciate you guys being here.
Thank you so much. All right, quick question.
Yeah.
Do you do all your 2,222 push-ups today?
Well, you know what? I do, but I can always do more.
Okay, we want to see a good push-up.
A good push-up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, why
Show
not?
us.
Let's do it.
Give me 20. Can I say that to you?
20, damn it.
Give me 20, damn it. Okay. Let's see the perfect push-up. All right, about the shoulder width. All right. That looks too easy for you. Let's add a little weight.
A little weight?
Yeah.
Okay. What little weight you want to add?
Here.
Okay. Are you sure? I have a 210 though.
Oh, you 210.
I have a 210. I have 210.
He's making me work for it today.
Amazing. Okay. Chef Rush.
Yes.
This one's for you.
For me. I like it.
All right. Here's some.
Okay.
Chef, how many of these have you done? How many have you filleted?
Be honest, whole tuna, I haven't much the chance to do it, but
Whole fish. How about whole fish?
Whole fish, yes, many times.
Many times?
But a whole tuna is not so much,
Not so much?
But pretty much same, cutting the way cut, but just only bigger.
You do it so easily, so flawless.
Maybe knife. Knife is good.
And skill.
Could be. A little bit. All right, that's good. Okay.
Wow. Look at this. Oh my. This is sexy. This is a trail that, oh my, look at this. Look at that color.
Sashimi.
The sashimi. I love sashimi. My favorite. Literally my favorite. Thank you, Chef.
Hiro-san, what do you have here?
Tekka roll.
Tekka roll. All right.
Take a roll.
Chef, what do you think?
What's this for? It's for
Mine.
no. No. It's right.
Yes. That's mine.
One Tekka roll XL for Chef Rush.
Okay, I'm gonna use this section.
She's beautiful.
I was just looking at the way you were looking at this piece of
I was
tuna.
looking at her like she's beautiful.
How's the size, Chef Rush?
She's
Do you use that medium, small, or large?
this is right here. It's like it's a little small for me, but I'll make it work. Chef tried to give me one really small. I was like,
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Well, that's a Japanese size.
That was okay. I thought I was his friend, so I was like, "Oh no, what you doing with this?"
Okay.
Hiro says it's true, but it's reliable.
Yeah, reliable.
Small but reliable. Okay, let's do it. Moment of truth. Let's take a look. Oh, nice. It's perfect.
Yes, Chef. This is yours. I won't share you with mine.
This is
Yeah.
This is
Japanese stuff.
yeah,
Japanese
this is
size.
Japanese. This is mine. That is his. I won't share. This is gonna be. I'm sorry, Chef. You have to make your own.
I make my own.
Its own. This
It has
little one
to.
right here.
Yeah.
Here, what do you have to say about that?
But you know,
Bon appetito.
bon appetito.
That's all you can say.
What is this? But I will say yours look cute. It looks cuter than mine.
That's it.
Yeah. All right, Hiro. Let's hold it up and take a look. Okay, Hiro. This is kind of small.
Yeah.
Chef Rush.
This is mine. This is his. This is mine.
It's kind of
So
small.
perfect for me.
That's perfect for him.
You know what they say, Chef? Anything more than a mouthful is a waste. So what do you have to say about that?
I'm a waste. You're not a waste, Chef.
Okay, bon appetito.
Okay.
Enjoy.
I put this one like that. You like wasabi?
I'm gonna go right here. Oh my God. Jeez.
That's pretty strong, Chef.
I know.
You know that, right?
I do know it's pretty. It's
Okay.
real stuff right here.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Oh my goodness. All right.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
Is that not too much wasabi?
No, I love it. I love
That's
it.
awesome. Well, Chef Rush, thank you so much for having us.
Oh, thank you.
We hope you can enjoy the rest of this.
I'm enjoying this. Yeah, this is gonna be good right here.
A little different from the
Chef.
last time.
All right, Chef. Enjoy your little one.
Yes.
I'm gonna stick with my big one. Delicious. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
You guys.
Thank you for everything you do for the whole entire world.
You as well.
absolutely.
Thank you, Chef. Very much.
Thank you.
All right, made it to Santa Monica. We're staying at the Moment Hotel, and upon checking in, right, a great moment.
now.
And I saw
Absolutely.
you saw Hiro walk up, and then you were like, "Oh my goodness, it can't be him."
It's him.
And you're a fan. You've been watching the channel for quite some time, and you won one of the giveaways.
Absolutely. Yes, I did.
A wallet that we picked up from Cuba.
Yes.
She won that giveaway. We're giving away other stuff.
It's a forever treasured memory for me.
What a
Absolutely love it.
cool moment. Yeah.
It
But
was.
thank you so much for being part of the
You guys
channel.
made my moment at the moment. Video.
So you
The
found
last
this?
chance to win for
let's
your
look at that.
trip.
Take a look at that, Anna.
I have it right here. Thank you, the two wallets. But I won one of
How
them.
long ago was that video? Can you-
5 years ago.
5 years ago.
5 years
Incredible.
ago.
Look at that.
And I saw you come in right away, and I was just like, oh my gosh.
Is that really him?
It's Master Chef Hero.
Actually, that's not really him. I hate to admit it to you. He's a twin brother.
Yeah. Oh, yeah?
He knows
Really?
all the stories though.
The stunt double.
Yeah,
Everyone needs
stunt
a good
double.
stunt double, huh?
Like Tom Cruise. This is Hiroyuki Terada.
That's what he always said. Told him about.
Okay, let's get a picture.